If you've ever felt torn between using Google Calendar or the new Notion calendar to organize your life in, you're not alone. Both tools are powerful, both are popular, but they fit completely different kinds of workflows. Today, I'm breaking down which calendar software is actually better for you. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves a place in your daily routine. Let's kick things off with the real question. What matters most when choosing a calendar tool? Usability, collaboration, and how well it blends into your day-to-day workflow. And that's where the differences between Google Calendar and Notion Calendar really start to show. Google Calendar is the classic, clean, simple, familiar. Adding events takes seconds, reminders sync instantly, and everything ties perfectly into Gmail, Google Meet, and the rest of Google Workspace. It's the calendar you can use with zero learning curve. Notion Calendar, on the other hand, comes with a modern interface and a surprisingly flexible layout. It might take a moment to get used to, but that flexibility pays off if you want your calendar to do more than just track dates. Now, let's talk about daily use. Google Calendar absolutely nails traditional scheduling, fast event creation, reliable notifications, and one of the best mobile apps for time management. If your goal is simply to know what's happening and when, Google delivers every time. Notion Calendar shines in a different way. Its power comes when your events are connected to projects, notes, tasks, and databases all inside Notion. If your planning involves context, documents, links, tags, project stages, Notion turns your calendar into a full workflow hub instead of a simple schedule. Customization is another major difference. Google keeps things straightforward: color coding, default views, and shared calendars. Notion goes much deeper with custom filters, tags, timelines, sorting options, and fully personalized views. You can literally build your own project dashboard inside your calendar. Collaboration is where Google still holds the crown. Shared calendars, availability lookups, and integration with Zoom, Meet, Slack, and pretty much every productivity app make teamwork effortless. Notion Calendar does support sharing, but it really shines only when the entire team is already working inside Notion. As for mobile performance, Google's app is mature, fast, and lightweight. Notion's mobile app is improving, but it still feels less polished and more limited compared to desktop. And finally, pricing. Both offer strong free plans. Google Calendar comes bundled with Gmail at no extra cost, while Notion's more advanced automation and team features unlock with their paid tiers. So which one is better? If you want a simple, reliable, and collaboration-friendly calendar that just works, go with Google Calendar. But if your workflow lives inside Notion and you want a calendar deeply tied to your projects and systems, Notion Calendar will feel like magic. Let me know which one you're using or switching to after this video. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.